Julius had 28 points. He shot 9 for 13 from the field, 5 for 6 from three, 5 for 6 from the free throw line. He had 8 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal, but 5 turnovers. Them 5 turnovers is what killed them. I'm gonna be honest with you. I seen a couple of them turnovers. It was like at least 2 or 3 turnovers that was kind of like not forced at all type shit. Like they came from him just kind of like moving too fast for real, dribbling into like situations basically. You know what I'm saying? That's how like 3 of his turnovers came. 2 of them was actually he just got that shit stole from him. You know what I'm saying? Like 2 of them he really got stole from him, but